Epoxy floors are the smart choice for pharmaceutical environments due to their exceptional durability, hygiene, and safety. Their seamless, non-porous surface prevents the growth of bacteria and mold, making them ideal for sterile settings. These floors are highly resistant to chemicals, abrasions, and frequent cleaning, ensuring they remain intact and safe even under a rigorous maintenance routine. Additionally, epoxy floors can be customized with anti-slip properties, improving workspace safety without compromising cleanliness. Their durability, low maintenance, and ability to maintain a sterile environment make them perfectly suited for a pharmaceutical setting. For more information, call us at 800-928-7220 or visit our website at highperformancesystems.com.